Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Aubrey Love, and this is my channel, man. Please subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell. I really appreciate it, man. I'm trying to get to 500 subs, and yeah, I'm almost there. So if you subscribe, then I'm a little bit closer. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Got the burps, man. But today we're gonna check out Scared Wild Animal Encounters. Let's check them out, man. Let's see what these wild animals be doing. The first thing about this video, that even if y'all seeing right now, why do they want to be in this box around these lions? I don't understand. I don't see what you gain, G. But these dudes, the lions not trying to play with you. They're trying to get you. Nah, it couldn't be me, man. They're just trying to find a way in. Not a friendly thing either. Oh, wow. Why we in this deep blue water anyways? That's what I'm saying. Like, we just be in places where we don't. Why he getting outside of the car? What do you think he gonna do to these places?
Oh, look at the big one in front of us.
Oh, dang. Do the insurance cover that? Oh, he broke the windshield. Dang.
Oh my god, the whole hood is crushed. The car is plastic is over there.
Hey, man. Bro, the monster. Help that man out. What? See you did, the man got. See you got attacked by the ostrich. Why is he over there with this ostrich? I just put a stop down with his feet, but trying to mark him. Feel real safe inside that cage, boy. I guess. Got some babies.
भैया देखो 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 देखो
See what happens when you break the window and get up on you. You know what I mean? He just as tall as the car. He about 6'3". They stalking this
Damn.
car.
Look at the
This is
size of the
Rhino.
thing.
Gotta get out his way. End up like that bison person with your car messed up. Oh no. Oh no, baby, what you doing? Oh no, and it's a red car. You know animals don't like red. Oh wow. They didn't open his mouth and then they just ran to you or trying to see what you was about. Testing your gangster. There's a bunch of sharks in that water.
Hey! 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 Hey!
This is our boy trying to help him. You know what I mean? But then with all these rhinos, man. Buffalo, water buffalo. Ran at them boys. You better use them sticks the best you can. They sound excited. They don't sound scared. They running away, but they don't really sound scared. Word, all up in his nose, boy. Yeah, let me get up out of here. Boy, you stuck me behind them trees, my boy. Yeah, man, that's the end of that though, man. That's what's crazy, scariest wild animal encounters. I never had no crazy wild animal encounters. The wildest animal encounter I ever got into was like a dog chasing me because my grandma, she from the my family, we from like small town. So the craziest thing you'll get is a dog chasing me. But what about y'all, man? Have y'all ever had any crazy animal experience? If so, comment it down below, man. Like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. But until next time, man.